Good afternoon. This is a tutorial for how to change a quarter grading schematic from category weighting to total points. So once you are in PowerTeacher Pro, you're going to go over to your Settings tab and you're going to click Traditional Grade Calculations. Once you click Traditional Grade Calculations, you will see your course roster. You'll see all your courses listed. So you just want to go into quarter four to change your quarter four from category weighting to total points. So we're going to click the pencil key to edit quarter four. And notice that there are category weights set. So we're going to delete them. And this one will stay. And we're going to just change it to total points. Make sure this is 100 or 10. It doesn't matter. And then you will click Save at the bottom. I do not see a Save tab because I am not the teacher of record. You will see a Save tab, so click Save, and then it will save solely for that class. You will have to go back into all of your classes and change quarter four to total points. All right, so right now this one is all set. Let's go into this one. We did it, but we didn't save it, so you'll have to save it. And then let's go into quarter four again. Click the pencil, delete, make it total points, make sure it's 100, and you're all set. All right, if you have any other questions, please do not hesitate to email me or give me a call. Have a great day.